and make sure that people in Delhi are under control as well.
No.
But jokes apart, I have an idea for you, sir. In partnership only with CII, you create ABC. It'll be the Amravati Business Conclave. It'll outdo Davos. It'll only be for, of, by India, focused on India, held in Amravati or whichever city you choose. But the point is, everyone recognizes you as someone who gets things done. A lot of people have lost faith in governments because, the bureaucrat, you never know. I mean, I can't say these things publicly because, we have to all be polite and proper. But you know what I mean. In you, there's a refreshment. And we really urge you, because I know people like CB and all will make things happen just like you will. I think there's no better time and no better person to lead this initiative than you. And more power to you, and may you continue to win elections, but more importantly, create what you did, a new India for a new Indian. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Very nice of you. This is all over the world, people are watching India now. We are having 2-3 advantages. I strongly believe this. One is information technology. Nobody can match us. It is the backbone for knowledge economy. Second one, demographic dividend, that is second one. Third one, youngsters. Because of youngsters, entrepreneur skills. If you can see, in India, every very big number, people are having aspirations, and also they are becoming entrepreneurs. If you can compare anywhere in the world, even China, they are having disadvantage now, diminishing population. That will be a big problem. Even Europe, even Japan, all these countries, all of us have to think positively. This is a great nation, great future. We can do greater things. All of us unite together. I'm having that belief. I have seen everything. We used to, as chief ministers, even 5 crores, 10 crores projects. Now we are talking 50,000 crores, 40,000 crores, 1 lakh crores. Even today, green hydrogen people are coming with 1 lakh crores investment. That is how things are improving. I am confident, great nation, great people. All of us are having great responsibility also. If we join together, as you rightly mentioned one thing, I am requesting, why can't CII, last time we are having some understanding, Amaravati will make hub for all this knowledge economy, public policies creation, everything, and other areas as spoke model. If you can come, I will give you land, you establish your headquarters in Amaravati. This is the future city. I will make it one of the best city. We will work together. Then, for the last so many years, 3 decades, we worked together. It is your turn now to help me. That is what I am expecting. Together we will work, we will make a difference. In any area, as you mentioned, I am prepared to adopt, I am prepared to work with you.
Always great listening to you, sir. Sir, we have the chairman of the BCG India, Janmejaya Sinha. He wanted to speak to you. He has worked with you very closely earlier too.
Sir, I had the privilege of working under your chairmanship for spreading digitization at the time of demonetization, the Chief Minister's Committee. I was sitting next to Neil Raheja, sir, and we both had an idea that in Amravati, there should be an authority created for data, which should be a cross-party authority, so that we create the best data in which is not challenged by one party or the other. And your current position is so powerful, sir, and we are also happy about it, that if you were to suggest this and we locate it in Amravati, and we create this data authority of India, which is cross-party, then we can really take advantage of artificial intelligence, sir. And there is no one like you who might be able to push it through, sir.
What is the concept, sir? Can you elaborate?
Sir, if you look at it right now, no data of ours is uncontested. Even if we say joblessness, we don't know how much joblessness there is. We don't know on so many dimensions, our data is very poor, even with our GDP, sir. So we need an authority which has all the data, which cannot be challenged by one side or the other. So we, from the start, make it cross-party, but it's an independent authority like UIDAI, but it is collecting data, sir. And this data will then make India really a leader in artificial intelligence, sir, because the core of that is data. And right now we are not even being able to frankly share our data. So we don't know household consumption data, whether it is shared or not shared, we don't know. And we are not having good data on most dimensions, sir. And this has to change. If we want to become a developed nation, we cannot do that without developed data, sir.
No, I will be very happy, sir, how to work it out. If we prepare a concept paper, we will make Amaravati as a hub. Really, as you rightly mentioned, data is wealth, but proper data is very important. For artificial intelligence also, data is very, very crucial. That is the main fuel for artificial intelligence. I will be very happy to associate. If you can come with proper project report or some ideas, then we will explore and take forward. No, only one thing I am telling you as a politician, I am always ahead of times. Sometimes I lose elections because of that. Originally, in 98, I implemented 4 sector reforms. Even Orissa executed, they failed. But I attempted, I was able to produce good model, then every state has gone for 4 sector reforms. First mover sometimes will have an advantage, sometimes disadvantage. Politically, I got a setback. 2004 elections I have lost because of aggressive taking the economic reforms, especially for our sector. But at the same time, I am having an advantage. All initiatives I have taken in Hyderabad. Now Hyderabad is one of the best city. If you ask anybody, they will mention my name, who has done all these things. That is the satisfaction I'm having.